Oh my God. What up guys, welcome to today's video. So today we are going go-karting at Prairie City, which is an outdoor go-kart track that I've never been to before, but it should be super fun. It's Sawyer's birthday, so we're gonna go ride some go-karts and have some fun. If you guys caught the last video of the Jay-Z and the startup and everything, then you guys know the Yoda's looking pretty crazy right now. We're about to take the Yoda over to Derek's house and then take it out to Prairie City. Look at the amount of mud that's just caked on here. Are you excited for karting?
Hell yeah, you're gonna get smoked, boy.
Oh.
Let's go.
Ah! He's chopping me. You don't want this smoke. All right, let's go. We gotta go.
We gotta grab coffee real quick.
Oh, we still gotta get coffee. Also, guys, I'm filming on the GoPro today for the first time in a long time. Oh, it's Brady.
We left the house right now.
Oh my God, bro. Film this. There's mud just slinging up from the tires right now. This car behind us is like, what?
I love how it hit the window.
Oh, it hit the window.
Or the mirror.
Dude, this is nuts. How far is it from here?
Probably like 10 minutes.
Oh, really? Oh, cool. I've never been to Prairie City, so I'm excited. Yeah, I've literally never been there. Not for karting, not for like mudding or any kind of anything.
I've never been karting.
There's a lot of shit out there. You can let your followers know you're missing out.
Hey followers, you guys are missing out. Wait, I'm missing out or they're missing out? Oh, I'm missing out. Free on, he named it. I love it.
He didn't have a tow hook, so we decided to pull it from his tow arm, and now the tow arm is popped up.
Oh!
It's a little bit.
I mean, it is called a tow arm, so I can't argue with you. I'd have towed from it too.
Was the tow hook there?
Yeah, if you guys watched the last video, you saw Derek try to, or was it Don tried to pull the neon and the tow strap immediately rips off. Oh my God, bro. Hilarious. Hey, I thought it'd work. Derek's got a huge hammer.
Get this on camera.
Oh my
this
God.
is coming out. Ready? I think I might be able to.
That kind of worked.
Say like 2 more hits.
I say get her straight. Keep it going.
We don't want to make it too good, you know?
Yeah. It's a gambler car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we need to like hit it from
Hit it
there.
down?
Yeah.
No, I think it's good though, right there. Put the wheel back on. Look at the gamblers, baby.
Hey, look at this. Classic.
Yeah, I feel bad for running it. I guess it's actually...
It's a rare Volvo?
500 of these made.
She had her time. Hey, Derek, I'm gonna be honest. Nobody was gonna save this,
No.
so don't feel
I had
bad.
to do it.
He did
Yep.
save it. What are you talking about? All right, guys, we're at Prairie City. It's basically a huge, like, I don't know, compound where they do like 4x4, dirt biking, all types of off-road.
This is all trails right here. All trails to drive on. There's trails all back there.
Yeah, I've never been here and it's like local, so I'm kind of excited to see what it's all about finally.
Yeah, this is what I remember, dude. I took my Subi out here.
Really?
Absolutely destroyed my Subaru.
my God, bro. Oh, watch this big ass divot. Oh! Holy shit, look at that bank.
He hit it so fast on the first lap, too.
Is that Jeff?
Yeah.
What up?
ABS welded itself to that. It
I want to get a video.
has like electricity going through it.
Oh, you lost all your brakes, bro. Wow. That's a broken brake line right there. Because it, I'm assuming, arced off of
It's
the
welded on right now, bro. We need to unhook that. Do you have any tools?
No.
No. Hey, that was sick though.
That was
Hey, that was awesome. What do you think?
So cool, dude. I love it.
This is insane. So I guess these are a bunch of, like today, a bunch of people are here with their personal carts. So,
Normal track day.
literally like a
Go-karts.
go-kart track day. This is awesome. Bunch of little kid ones too. I think we're supposed to go in here. Session. So we're gonna get 2 10-minute sessions, right? Yeah, 2 10-minute sessions. And they say you should be able to get like 10 laps in, so we'll see. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I've never really been great at go-karts, and like, I don't know, just like, I don't know why. It's definitely really fun, and I'd like to come do this more often, so we'll see how today goes, and if I'm not absolute trash, then maybe we'll come back. Hey, I want a nice clean race, okay? This car understeers. Hey, dude. It's really easy to lock the rear brakes up. The brakes are only on the rears. Something's wrong with Derek's car. What happened? Ah! he's chopping me. All right, we're gonna follow his line. Let's learn something. All right. Well, that's not what I expected. Wow, that sucks. He braked way harder than I thought, so that I locked mine up and it spun me. Dang it, I was looking forward to chasing him a little bit. We're trying to watch the pros out here to see how they're taking some of these corners.
I'm taking notes right now.
Yeah.
Super
So fast.
oversteer the whole time.
All right, boys, we're going out for the second session. I feel like I learned a lot in the first session and then just talking to the boys afterwards. So we'll see how this goes. It's definitely really slippery the first like lap or two until the tires kind of warm up. All right, warm up the tires. Smooth. All right, I'm getting it, boys. Let's make some ground up. No lift. Late brake right here. Little sketchy. And then take it wide. Nice and smooth. Let's go, baby! Oh, Don. Hey, buddy. No lift. Flat out. Let's go. Oh no! To get the chop ready! You're lucky, buddy. You're lucky. Hey, you were doing way better. I was like chasing you for 3 laps. I couldn't catch up.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, I caught up right at the end where it was the last lap, though.
Friggin' spun, dude.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, that's pretty much when I started catching up. Hey, happy birthday, buddy. Thanks for setting this up. This is a blast. We definitely got to come out more.
Your fucking hips are gonna be hurt.
Yeah, it's an intensive sport.
You're probably gonna be tired too.
Right? My forearms are like the most sore right now. All right, guys, we're gonna head home. It's been a great day. Got a ton of footage from Prairie City mudding to everything, to karting and whatnot. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.
If you like this kind of content, like it and comment.
Yeah.
So he knows to do more fun shit.
Yeah, let me know, guys, if this is stuff that you guys like to see. I know, you know, a lot of times it's just the drift car and, you know, but anyway, we could do more stuff. So comment below. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. Oh, my truck's not even over here, dude. Parked over there. I'm gonna go get the truck. All right, guys, stay tuned. Wait, can you hold this? Thank you. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you later. And
Yo, is that Corolla towing?
oh my God, that Corolla is towing.
That is
Toyota is never let down, dude.
And on that note,
On that note, guys, we'll see you later. Peace.